Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Spindle Assembly. This spindle assembly is compatible with various 50-inch deck lawn mowers from companies like Cub Cadet, Massey Ferguson, MTD, Toro, Troy-Bilt, and Exmark. A few common mowers include the LT1050, I1050, RZT22, ZT50, LT5000, and the GT5025. For a full list of applications this part fits, review the list below or contact us. What a spindle assembly does is it makes sure that your cutting blades that are attached on the bottom are operating as smooth as possible for the absolute best cut of your grass. And if you're hearing grinding noises or your blades are spinning unevenly, you may have a problem with your existing spindle assembly. While this replacement spindle is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement to work exactly like the original. And while it has all the OEM mounting locations, this one actually has a redesigned internal mechanism for longer life expectancy. Included with this spindle assembly are new mounting bolts, the pulley with the lock nut, and the Zerk grease fitting. Using basic hand tools, this is a simple part to replace. However, after you do install and run for the first time, it is recommended to double check all the mounting bolts to make sure none of them loosened up on you. If you have any questions about this replacement spindle kit, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.